Okay, keep it coming straight. Hold it right there. That's good.
Corliss. The audio contains speech from a female voice, likely the quality chemist, recording data.
Hello, this is Carlos.
Hey, Carlos. Just confirming the lot release. We're planning the Cheddar powder run now.
Yes, it's approved for melter line 3.
Cheddar blend staged. Batch 1 ready for call. Initiating line 3 startup sequence.
Emulsion quality confirmed. Begin atomization when ready.
Liquid cheese becoming stable, shelf-stable powder. Spray drying is the heart of cheese powder production. Close-up of emulsion pH adjustment. The inline pH control station shows 5.68, slightly below the optimal target.
Lamp. Got 47 seconds.
Reducing the feed rate now to 6,100 pounds per hour. We are lining up the transfer from melter 2.
Batch E04 prediction confirms specification. Approved for full-scale drying.
Heating achieved via pressurized hot water on alternate channels, maintaining 194 to 196 degrees.
Temperature monitoring is critical. If the temperature drops below 185 degrees, the divert valve automatically.
The cooling strategy is regenerative, using incoming cold emulsion. Temperature progression shows reduction from 180.
Normal operation. The valve directs pasteurized emulsion forward to the surge tank. Current status.
Predictive alert. Cleaning in place recommended in 3 shifts. A work order has been automatically scheduled.
Microtesting proves pasteurization is working effectively, equipment maintained properly, and food safety achieved.
Emulsion heated to 187 degrees Fahrenheit, held 30 seconds, cooled to 167 into surge tank. Excellent.
Wall condition clean, atomizer alignment centered, laser verified. Air distributor clear, no blockages. Sight glasses clean, chamber rating excellent.
By increasing the inlet temperature from 392 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we see a potential 3% efficiency gain.
As you can see, the powder cools from 165 degrees down to the 85 degree set point. We're achieving over 95%. The D50 came out at 128 microns, right within spec, and with a span of 1.46, we're seeing
The viscosity is perfect, no grittiness at all.
Flavor profile is spot on, nice heat balance.
Scoring a 9 overall, we have approval.
As you can see, sample A is clumped, while sample B flows freely. This is because the silicon dioxide coats the particles, preventing caking. Pallet building process. A robotic arm picks cases from the conveyor, stacking in a programmed pattern on a wooden pallet.
Just 6 tablespoons of our enhanced cheddar powder transforms this into a creamy, restaurant-quality sauce.
I'm so glad we tried this recipe.
It's delicious. Pass the bowl when you're done.
This is the best.